Welcome to FieldAx demo presentation. We will look into the complete overview in 7 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the customer and site. Log in into the FieldAx. Click the Accounts tab. Go to the right corner and click New button. Choose Customer and then click Next. Fill out the customer name, email address, and billing address. Click Save. Once you saved, you will be on the customer record page. Let's see the site creation. One account may have more than one site locations. Let us look at how to create that. Click Account and click New button. This time, choose the Site option. Click Next. Give the site name and choose the parent account. Also, fill in the site locations and save. The site has been created now. We can check the hierarchy levels by click this button. This is the parent account and this is the site account. Also, we can create the contact information of each site. Go to the Contact section and click the New button. Fill out the details. Finally, click Save. Step 2. Create the service plan. Once we created the site, we can plan for the service. Open the site and go to the Service Plan section. Click the New button. Choose the type and fill out the service start date and end date. Assign the service engineer's name. If you would like to create a recurring schedule, choose the scheduling period and days count. If you don't want, leave it blank. Choose the parts or material details and this is configurable. Enter the service charges and tax information. Then, click Save. Your service plan is ready now. Step 3. Create estimate. Open the site and go to the Estimate section. Click New. Choose the contact person. Fill out the details like enter the tentative dates, purpose of the visit. Then click Save. Your estimation is ready now. Once we created the estimation, we have to add the service details, use parts details, and charges. Let us see how to do that. Go to the Service section. Add the service details. Also, add the charges and parts details. Now, the estimation page is ready. And we can preview the complete estimation details. Once we click the Send button, a PDF copy will send to the contact person. Step 4. Job creation. Once we get the approval for the estimation, we have to create the job. Open the estimate and click the Create Job at the right corner. The job details will be pre-populated based on the estimation details. Just click Save. That's it. Now, the job sheet is ready. Step 5. Service Engineer Assignment. Open the newly created job sheet. Click the Assign Engineer button. You will see available service engineer. Select the time and click Save. The engineer assigned to job sheet successfully. Also, the engineer will get an instant notification. If need, we can assign more than one engineer. We can use the dispatcher board for assigning the service engineer. Just open the dispatcher and select the open job. Just drag and drop. The job will schedule for the service engineer. Step 6. Job sheet completion. Once the engineer completed the service, open the job sheet and update the system details, parts, and time card entry. We can preview the job sheet by clicking the Preview button. Also, get the customer's signature. Go to the right corner and click the Sign button. Get the customer's signature. The signature will update in the job sheet. Once we updated the details, click Save. The PDF copy will save to the record page. Also, we can send this copy to the customer by clicking the Send button. Finally, click the Close Job button and provide the completion date and comments. The job will be closed. Step 7. Generate invoice. Once the job is completed, FieldAx generates the invoice automatically. Now, it's ready for sending to the customer. Once the customer paid the invoice, open the invoice. Go to the payment section and click New. Fill in the payment amount, date, comments, and payment mode. Click Save. The payment status is updated successfully. Click Save. The PDF copy will save to the record page. Try the FieldAx trial now and visit our website today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share to your team.